Good morning, and this is Jim giving you the very first demonstration of using the CBG CRM. First thing I'm going to do is log on. You all should have a good logon address. Here I am logged in, which is just fine. So on the CBG CRM, this is where we maintain all of our records and data for every prospect we have in the system. The database has both Alaska and Hawaii information, and we have also added a set of Washington data, which down here after this long list of categories, we can see the set of Washington listings that we've recently added. So first things first, when I log on, generally the first thing I do is I'll have a look at my callback list, which is essentially has all of the leads that have my name attached to them, some kind of a callback date. And so basically what I do is I will look at the callback list. I will look at all callbacks, and I will then probably sort them either by company or by updated date. So I'm going to do it by updated date. And what happens is the oldest ones are first, so if you simply hit the end key on your keyboard, I'm not sure if you're using an Apple, it will take me right down to my callback list and the most recent leads that I've been working on. And what you'll see here in the callback list obviously is the company name, who the rep is, and Tim dropped off some books there. They're not ready for renewal yet, Tim. We've got to wait till the 17th edition comes out. I just did the renewal for them, just so you know. So what you see here is the company name, the reps, who the key contact is, generally the priority tab, and this book sent is sort of irrelevant at this point, and then the notes. I work my way backwards, and I actually see that Tim's been ringing up some of my clients, and it's fine. We work together, and we all work together, and so forth. Good job, Tim. The the next thing I want to show you is basically the landing page for each client, which contains all of the information about each customer or prospect. So the top section of this page shows you the private information, the internal information about that client or prospect. The green areas are not published, so you can make whatever notes you wish in this mode. This is a record that I actually called or spoke with, or it was updated May 10th of 2016. The key contact, phone numbers, and the obviously the last callback date was 2014. And we'll go down the page a little bit. We want to make sure the information here in the contact section is accurate and up to date on each call. In addition, the published information should be accurate and up to date for each call. And then that's all the public information that we could possibly publish for them or that we maintain. And then the publication/order setup page. Let me go into this really quick here. What you'll find here is the full list of categories for each prospect. You can click a different category by just clicking once and then typing in, for instance, I typed AC. If that's not what you're looking for, you can go to, say, transportation, transportation, and then scroll down, and makes it very easy to jump to the category you're looking for versus scroll. The escape key, and I'm not going to save this record, so it'll remain the same. Next comes the client selected size, and this is what the client has access to when they hit their update link that we send them. I'll show you that in the next video. The official link is the most critical, as this is what we use when we export the data and in turn use these codes to publish the information in the book. It becomes really problematic when we have this pull down selecting sizes, greater than 2-line, 3-line, or obviously 7-8 line ads when they're not a client, because now we have to then manually go in and fix those things. So it's really important to make sure that this is basically set at requested free listing, or something like perhaps 2-line bold or 2-line red, which is a new setting we have. If you want to do a proposal, it's okay to set the upper one, the client selected one, to whatever size you wish. So we're going to set it up as a 6-page, 7-line red under transportation. Again, I'm not going to save this. It's in another video. So that is really an important thing, is how are the categories set up. So back to the top. The next thing I want to show you on this landing page for prospects is the status, the update piece, the status, which tells us what the last action was. Drop off, go see, ask for order. Ranking shows up in the callback list. You can say this is not a complete list, but you can just give it a general update. The product, generally it's always Alaska Native, the sales rep, callback date, whatever that might be. And then when you do press save, I'm going to do this. I know this prospect and I'll be visiting them later. You press save changes, and this little pop-up comes up. You say OK. The information that you posted up above here in this area gets posted to the notes. Add notes, and for or she's really nice, whatever you want to say, send extra listings, etc. And you must save it again after each time that you make the notes. So I'm going to stop the video here because I think it only lasts about 10 minutes is my available time. So that is the introduction to logging in, the callback list, and updating records on the CRM. So what